Today, we'll show you how to assemble and prepare a NexSens CB-75 buoy for deployment. The system is delivered in 2 packages. Any additional sensors and accessories will be boxed separately. Only basic hand tools and a few supplies are needed. Cable ties, a thread lock adhesive, and an anti-seize compound ensure the buoy performs well in rough waters and makes future maintenance easier. Before mounting, configure any sensors and data loggers. For NexSens loggers, please view the video linked in the description for setup instructions. If needed, written instructions for assembly can be found online at the NexSens knowledge base. NexSens buoy systems are highly customizable, so your sensor selection may differ. We'll be walking through the steps to integrate a few of the more common environmental sensors and accessories. Let's get started. It's easiest to install any topside equipment before attaching the cage to the buoy. First, we'll install a Garmin GPS 24D receiver. Route the GPS cable through the bottom of the mount and plug it in. Screw the receiver onto the mount until it clicks in place. Secure the assembly using the included hardware. Thread the unit onto the bottom of the GPS assembly and attach it to the solar tower top plate. Next, we'll attach the M550 solar marine light, but before doing so, be sure to activate it following the manufacturer's guidelines. Align the beacon with the mounting holes. Secure it in place with the supplied bolts, flat washers, and nylon lock nuts. Set the top plate aside. Now that the topside equipment is installed, we can attach the cage. With the buoy flipped over, remove the 3 outer bolts and the middle cage bolt. Align the top of the cage with the holes on the plastic mount. Reinstall the bolts using thread lock adhesive. To protect the instrument cage from corrosion, we'll attach a zinc anode. Remove the 2 screws from the anode and mount it to the cage. With the cage installed, we can mount a YSI EXO 3S sonde. At this point, the sonde should be configured and ready for deployment. Install the mooring clamps to the cage. With the storage cup removed, slide the O-rings onto the sonde body and align them with the cage clamps. Place the sonde into the clamps and adjust the O-rings to fit inside the grooves. Remove the white port cap from the top of the buoy hole. Route the cable through the buoy port. Connect the cable adapter to the sonde's communication port and secure it using cable ties. Carefully loop and secure excess cable so the connector is not stressed. Plug the GPS and EXO 3S cables into their pre-configured ports and apply power by plugging the solar panel cable into the power COM port. Now is a good time to test everything and ensure that your system is working. Finally, reattach the solar tower top plate. That's it. Our CB-75 is assembled. Follow the links in the description to learn more about getting started with NexSens X Series data loggers and the WQ Data Live web data center. For additional resources, visit the NexSens knowledge base online to learn more. NexSens. Better data. It's never been easier.